Now I will explain you about the basic part of coding. So how to do codings means how to write a code. To write a code on any button, you can double click on that. Take example OK button. First of all, let's make them equal size. So as this is selected, this is the master one. Go to master, you can understand by select one with black border and others are all with white. So the black, when you select a group of controls, the black border means the master one, the white one means the dependent one. Now go to format, make same size both. So this way they all become same size. So now suppose you want to do some programming, so how to do? Like take example this OK button. If I press this button, a message will come, you have pressed the OK button, you have pressed a command button. So for this, first check out its name is cmd OK. You can give any name here. So double click here. When you double click, it goes to the code window. If you want to come back to the interface, click here, and if you want to go back to the code window, you can go here. But when there are a lot of codes, we are lost in the code, so it's better go to the interface and double click on the control. Now try to understand this code structure. See, in the starting it is written private sub. Private sub means starting and end sub means ending, the starting of the code and the ending of the code. CMD OK means the command button, the control on which the operation will be done, and click means when we click that button. So to display a message, we have to write the code msgbox message box space. You can see a tooltip have come telling us that what parameter we can pass. So for the time being, just leave it and use double quote and type. So now you can see the code has been typed. MSG box, it means display a message, and the message should be this one. You have pressed the command button. Whatever you type in between these double quotes, that message will get displayed. Let's try out. Just start the program by pressing this play button, and like that button is hidden, so we have to make it visible is equal to false. So go to the code interface, select the control, go to visible. So we have made it false, we have to make it true. It means this should not be hidden. Now let's try out. So if you press this close, nothing will work. If you press this command 3, nothing will do. But when you press OK, you can see a message should come. See, a message have come. You have pressed the command button because we have done the coding in this button. So just press OK. This gets closed. Again you can press it. Now you can see in this message there is no icon this side. There should be one icon, a picture of information. So to add it, go to OK, close the program. In this code, at the last type comma and VB information, select it by pressing the tab. Come down line. So you can see we have added this code, comma VB information. So now press the play button and press the OK button. Now you can see the exclamation, not the exclamation, sorry, the information icon have come this side. So by this the message looks good look. Press OK and close the form. Now press the home button to come at the front. If you press single quote and come downside, you can see the line have become green in color. It means this line have become disabled, it will not work. This is called comments. So press enter and we will be using a different code. Come to the interface. Now let's do one thing. We have a command button, its caption is command 3. We can change the caption from here, but let's change it through programming. When I press this OK button, its caption should be apptech. So how to do it? Come to the code window, or the better way is double click on the OK button and type the codes. So you have to know that command button name. So go back to the interface, click on the command button, its name is command 3. So double click on OK. So now you have to write command 3. As you press dot, you can see a list of properties comes. So you can see here, you can compare all these properties with this properties window of command button. You will see most of them are same and few are different. So you can see here there are so many options. So now take an example how to select an a property. Suppose you want to select this one. So there are 2-3 ways. If you press the tab key, it gets selected this way. Remove it. Again press dot. After selecting the caption, if you press space bar, it gets selected and adds a space bar. Try other way. When you press dot, the list comes in the caption, select it, and if you press is equal to, so it selects any types. So this is a better way. So now the code will be command 3 dot caption is equal to, now in double quote give the caption apptech and close it. Now as you press down, you will see that this is equal to don't have spaces right both side. It will adjust automatically and command caption will also maintain. Come downside. So you can see C have become capital and one space has been added both side of is equal to. Now press F5 to run the program or press this button to start. Now press OK button. So now you can see as you press the OK button, the caption have changed to apptech.